Welcome back. Now that your workspace exists, let's make it yours. In this video, we'll set up its general settings and add some branding. From the sidebar, click Settings, and then open the General tab. This is where the core details of your workspace live. First, your logo. Click the Upload area on the Workspace logo card and pick an image: JPG, PNG, WebP, GIF, or SVG, up to 4 megabytes. A square image works best, so it sits neatly in every corner of the app. Once it uploads, your logo shows up in the sidebar, in the Workspace switcher, and on your white-labeled emails, so your brand stays front and center. Changed your mind? The Remove option clears it again. Next, the Workspace Details card. You can rename the workspace right here in the name field, though note that only admins are allowed to change it. Below that is the slug, your workspace's web address. It's read-only and fixed, because links and bookmarks point to it. The name can change freely, the slug stays put. There's also a custom domain field, so your tracking and links can use your own domain. Heads up, this one is plan-gated, so on lower plans, you may see it locked with an upgrade prompt. Last on this page, the data export card. Export Contacts downloads every contact as a CSV file, and Export Campaigns does the same for your campaigns. Your data is always yours to take with you. That's your general settings sorted and your workspace nicely branded. Next, let's invite your team and walk through who can do what.